Hello, this is Ma Varney, Mary. I just came on. I am doing my, guess what? My April, almost forgetting, being in home so long. My unboxing for Young Living for April. Yay! So, as usual, I try not to stay on too long. Also, what I do with the scissors. So how's everybody doing today? I'm doing fine myself at home, working from home. So thank God that I still have a job. So now that I'm off work, I decided to do a video. I keep putting it off, so I'm like, let me do it today. So here we go. Okay, this is Young Living April unboxing. The phone, the invoice, okay, which I have my all-time favorite. I know with the coronavirus going around, the flu is going around, summer allergies or whatever is my favorite. I guess I will open it, but I always open this. This is the Ninja Red. I love this to keep above the wellness line as far as my allergies and colds last year, this year. As long as I'm taking this, I am fine. I'll open that in a second. Right now, I got this, which is called Sleek. This is called Sleek. It's tea. Ocotea Oolong Cacao Spice Tea. 25 pouches. This is to actually help you lose weight. I think it's for appetite. It said it is delicious, served hot or cold. Enjoy daily before or after workouts with meals or whenever a naturally derived boost is required. Okay, but I know this is part of the weight loss package. Yep, Sleek for weight management. Delicious, rare blend of naturally derived ingredients chosen for their wellness benefits. Key to this unique blend is a premium variety of jade oolong tea leaves, highly sought after for their rich aroma and antioxidant properties. All of these ingredients are infused with therapeutic grade Arabian frankincense powder, an exclusive ingredient from Young Living's distillery in Muscat, Oman, I think. So this is, like I said, this is the Sleek Tea. And then we have our all-time paper that comes with every order. And this one, it is a message from Mary, the essential called the Essential Edge. And, oh, I don't see. Okay, here it is. The oil of the month, which is Purification. And they have a recipe for chana masala. I think that's an Indian dish here, and the oil up there. And the purification oil, I know it's really good for when you're cooking or whatever, just to get some fresh air into the house, to make the house smell good, get rid of odors. And it's also really good if you take it and put a couple of drops on a cotton ball and put it in your garbage can, and it helps keep that odors from there. But on here, It says create an on-the-go air freshener with a spray bottle, distilled water, and purification for office, restrooms, hotels, and cars. You can also add a few drops to a rag to polish your wood furniture. Now, I didn't know that one. Okay. Diffuse it for 30 minutes daily in your closet to loosen the musty winter odors your clothes like to hold on to. You can also do candles with it. That's interesting. So this is purification, which I love. I use that all the time. I also got, this is my favorite, especially now for cleaning the house and disinfecting the home, your car, whatever. This is Thieves household cleaner, and you can use this from cleaning dishes, putting it in the wash. It has many uses. Like I said, this is Thieves. And some bubbles that the kids love. And that's it in this box. Let's see what is in here. So I don't know how's the weather out by you guys, or how is it here. It was snowing earlier this morning. Right now it's just cold, but it's still sunny outside. Okay, this is the wood, kind of a cardboard, thick cardboard holder that the oils come in. I have RC, and this is RC. RC is really good for, I guess you would say, allergies. It helps your breathings. If you have, just allergies, congestion, just anything, allergies, colds, asthma, whatever, it helps. It's just an aid. And this is eucalyptus. This is really good for the house too. Actually, for the same thing during the winter time, it's really good. Can go well with using with the RC. You can put it in your diffuser. Put maybe a couple of drops on a napkin if you're having a respiratory problem, or some congestion or something. Like I said, you can put it in a diffuser, on a napkin. And actually, if you have a cold or something, you can put it in some hot water, just like you would do like with peppermint too. Or you can put both of these together and just put a towel over your head and just inhale the steam. So I keep the eucalyptus, peppermint, RC, well, Young Living, I love all of their products, but some of them I'm trying new, like I said, with the tea here. Now, let me, with the cleaner as well as with the oil, I have like the Thieves spray. This didn't come in the order, but I was just noticing it sitting on the table. I love this Thieves spray. This is for carry with you when you're out. You can use it to clean down tables, chairs, whatever it is. Actually, if you run out of hand sanitizer, you can use it on your hands. I will use the cleaner in here, or I could use the Thieves oil and some witch hazel and put it in here to refill if I wanted to. So let's open the Ninja Red for those of you who haven't seen my video or have never seen this product before. To me, it tastes sort of like, what would I say, like a, not strawberry, not apple, something near like a cherry juice. It's really good. isn't it? And it's heavy. Because they're glass jars. Bottles, rather. Okay. Here we go. This is Ninja Red. And they last up. Whoops. Oh, that wasn't good. Okay. It lasts pretty good for a pretty length of time. You only need like 1 to 2 ounces per day. Like I said, this is the Ninja Red. You only need, glad it didn't hit the glass table. It is just 1 to 2 ounces per day. I noticed a difference. The reason I continue to using the Ninja Red is because for one period I did stop. I think it was like for 2 months. I stopped using it. This is it. And the bottle is really nice too. Essential oil infused wolfberry supplement. I went without using this, and I ended up with some sinus problems / I guess a slight cold. And I'm like, So I went back to using this, and I haven't had one again. So long as I'm using this every day, I'm fine. So this actually, it says Ninja Red combines the extraordinary wolfberry superfruit with 100% pure essential oils in a powerful whole body nutrient infusion. The benefits of the legendary Ninja Wolfberry have been sought after for centuries, and ongoing research continues to yield exciting new health properties. Enjoy its naturally delicious flavor daily to sustain energy and to fortify and replenish key nutrients for long-lasting health and wellness. And like I said, this is Ninja Red, and I love the flavor. It's good for children too. Children can also take it. And like I said, it's like 1 to 2 ounces a day. So that was it, everyone. So I'll have in the description box if you're interested in Young Living, if you were already using it and maybe you stopped, or if you just want to learn more about it, you can message me, or you can click on the link down below. So as always, I love you guys and enjoy your day. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye-bye.